The objective of this video presentation is to add a boot option for turning on and off hypervisor without uninstalling Hyper-V in the host machine and allowing at boot to choose the use of VirtualBox, for example, 64-bit operating systems, which is possible only if the hypervisor, Microsoft hypervisor, is turned off, or if you want to use a 32-bit operating system in VirtualBox and Hyper-V at the same time, you can turn on the Hyper-V from boot. For example, this is a menu booting to the same operating system, and the only thing, the difference is in the description. Description Hyper-V off, Hyper-V on is the same Windows 10 operating system, and at the end we have this option here, Hypervisor Launch Type Auto, which is turning on the hypervisor, and Hypervisor Launch Type Off, turning off the hypervisor. This works only if Hyper-V is installed, is set up in this machine. Otherwise, this option here does not make sense. All right, so how do we manipulate the boot configuration data store in recent operating system, again, Windows 7 and up? And the command is bcd edit /reboot display the actual menu. And what we need to do is to, and also question mark gives, with the help, we can get all the options. And right away, what we need to do first is to, I'll say, to duplicate the bootloader. So we have two options. And we'll use the copy command, the copy option. So we have a single loader. We want to copy the whole option here. We will mark it. So right-click, choose mark, and mark it. When you right-click here, it's actually copied directly, and we can use bcd copy. The grid, press enter. Oh, you have a description here, and what we'll do here, we'll type D and question mark, and will be Hyper-V off, for example, and we'll modify after that. Okay, this is done, and if we go back to displaying the boot menu, now we have two bootloaders. One bootloader, another bootloader. The first one is Windows 10, description Windows 10. The other one is Hyper-V off. And you see, Hypervisor Launch Type has been already set here. This has been installed by the Hyper-V installation. So for the second grid, Hyper-V off, I have to change this option here. So very quick. So set description. Well, we'll try to do something here. So we want to modify this and set it up to Hyper-V off. We want to set it up to, so what I'm going to do here is mark the grid. That's what I need. Set this loader All right, so this completed kind of okay. Verifying. So I have a boot menu. One is the standard one, Windows 10, and the other one is Hyper-V off with hypervisor launch type off. That's all it is. So the rest is testing. Basically, you have to reboot and test if it works. And if I reboot, the video will stop, but we can restart it after that, and actually with a second video to display the results. That's it. That's the simplest way to add a Hyper-V on and off option to your boot menu and test it. Let me save it.